Your eyes process an astounding 36,000 bits of information every single hour. The human eye can distinguish approximately 10 million different colors. You have a natural blind spot in each eye where the optic nerve connects, containing no light-sensitive cells. Your brain actually sees the world upside down and then flips the image right side up for you. The average blink lasts about 100 to 150 milliseconds, protecting and moistening your eyes. Babies are born without tears. They can only produce tears around 4-6 weeks of age. Your eyes are roughly 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters in diameter, and weigh about 0.25 ounces, 7 grams. Though often mistaken for a muscle, the pupil is simply an opening, controlled by the iris. Eyes are incredibly fast healers, able to repair small corneal scratches in just 24 to 48 hours. Your eyes are always the same size from birth. They don't grow like your nose or ears.